Hello everyone! Sharing you our unang ganap ng taong 2025. So pupunta nga kami sa Hilton. Mag-staycation kami doon ng 3 nights kasi alis na si Daddy James ng January 3 at pupunta nga siya sa Europe for work. Dumiretso na nga kami kaagad sa lounge kasi doon kami pina-check-in. And while nakikipagtalo nga si Daddy James sa mga reservation officers, dito naman kami ni Emma mag-enjoy muna sa mga drinks. Na-try na nga namin lahat ng pagkain at nabusog na kami ni Emma. Tamang-tama naman tapos na yung check-in process.
Okay, let's go this way first. The best thing's there. But actually, this is the best thing. So there's this.
Coffee
things. To keep your
Safe.
phone out. There's a little bench. I don't know, what do you do there? And the best part of every hotel room, the bathtub.
Best part of every hotel room is the...
Bathtub, best part, bro.
That's the best part.
You know what I'm gonna be doing all day. Bye.
You're gonna stay there
Yes.
all day.
And then this is the sink. Then there's a pooping place. And then a shower.
Oh, it's separate.
Yeah, it's separated. This separate.
Separate doors.
And now I'm gonna show you a really cool part. Come here.
Okay.
Okay. So
So what?
that's our bed. Okay, this is a TV, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bed, of course, we need that.
What's that?
Rooms.
Oh, they've got macaroons.
For guess who it's for?
Oh, for you. Macaroon for you.
And then there's this. And then we have this. Then we have a little
You have balcony.
facing the pool.
Oh, it's facing the pool.
Get in here.
Pool view. Would be nicer if that side.
Yeah. But it's okay.
But yeah, but this is okay. Pool view. You happy?
Hey! The smallest, medium, and big boy.
I understand that it is a difficult situation.
Do you like
A
macaroons?
critical situation. A day like
Is it
today,
yummy?
the end of the year, well,
That's yummy.
Hindi na nga kami nagtagal sa room kasi lumabas na kami at pumunta sa Newport Mall kasi yung hotel at saka yung mall magkatabi lang sila or magkatapat. So naglakad-lakad muna kami dito kasi mag-check kami sa cinema kasi nga titingnan namin kung showing na yung Mufasa na movie. But sad to say, hindi pa sila showing. So the following morning na lang kami nanood sa BGC. After nga namin mag-ikot-ikot, napagod na rin kami. Kaya nag-dinner muna kami dito bago kami bumalik sa hotel. Bumalik na rin kami kaagad sa hotel at dumiretso nga kami sa ground floor. And dito nga nakita namin yung malaki nilang gingerbread house. Real cookies talaga yung mga ginawa nila dito. Ang laki, kaya nakaka-amaze lang. Tuwang-tuwa si Emma. refrain from touching.
I refrain so much.
Is it a real one?
Yes, it is. I literally. Yeah, that is.
Umakyat na nga kami sa lounge to check kung ano yung mga nakahanda doon. Pero dahil busog pa nga kami, kasi kumain na kami sa mall, kaya nag-drinks na lang kami. This is taken na nga the following day. So, after namin, pagkagising namin sa umaga, nag-breakfast muna kami. Kaya bumaba kami sa may kusina restaurant.
En route. Best beef should give it 71. 57th Street at Bangkok Marriott. Wow. Bistro at Swiss Hotel.
It's okay if you don't like it.
What flavour is it on about this now?
So far, so good. Okay naman yung kanilang breakfast buffet. And ito na nga yung pool. Hindi muna magsiswimming si Emma kasi alis nga kami papuntang BGC. Sa High Street nga yung cinema, pero pumunta muna kami dito sa may Uptown Mall para maglakad-lakad at saka may bibilhin si James. Ito na nga yung sa High Street at may nakita si Emma na Angry Tree. Angry Tree daw yan, sabi niya. So, tinanong ko bakit Angry Tree. Kasi daw, ganyan yung mukha. So, yeah, Angry Tree daw yan. Sa may BGC to, sa may High Street. Bumalik na rin kami kaagad sa hotel after ng movie kasi may binook si James sa may S Kitchen sa may Sheraton. Napaaga nga yung pagpunta namin doon kaya bumalik ulit kami sa may Hilton kasi 6 para mag-open yung S Kitchen. And so, nagpicture-picture muna kami and then pumunta sa lounge to have some drinks.
So, just run away.
Yeah.
This is not right away.
And ito nga yung nakaserve sa my lounge during cocktail time. So, maraming food. Actually, pwede ka nang hindi mag-dinner dito kasi dito pa lang mabubusog ka na. Kaso nga, nag-book daw ng buffet si James kaya pinagbabawalan akong kumain. Kasi baka wala na daw ako makain sa buffet. Aside sa mga naka-display na food, meron din palang parang pinaka-main dish na siniserve, sabihin mo lang sa kanila. Pero it's free din, kasama din yan sa binayaran mo sa lunch. And dito na nga kami sa may S Kitchen, sa may Sheraton. And ito nga yung mga food nila. It's 50% off per person nga pala kasi we avail the coupon sa Eatigo. So you can do that as well. Seafood paluto. Paluto ko ng shrimp tater. Wala yung beef. Ay, may laksa. Philippine foods. Yung beef paklay. Chicken afritada, Bicol Express. Daming food. yung gusto ko. At syempre,
Sup, Mama?
it's nice. Apple crumble.
You want it? Then get it. Oh, look at the Filipino.
I prefer this one. I prefer kakanin.
Aren't you gonna get some? Or are you too full?
Oh, they're making crepes. You want crepes? You want crepes or no? Get the blueberry, Emma. Look, crepe station. Oh, there you go.
Wait, no way.
What's this?
This is cookie
Wait,
dough.
Emma, stop playing if you're not gonna get. Okay, stop touching it.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Tapos ice cream station. What did you get, Emma?
I got green tea.
Get green.
It's actually pretty good.
Ha? Ayos po.
Tastes exactly
Oh,
like
halo-halo station. Ano nga? We can halo, Emma. You halo-halo? I think that I'm gonna get it. Sorry.
It's so sticky.
Get a spoon. Do you like that beans?
I don't know.
Okay, that's enough now. Emma, enough. That's too much. Evaporated milk.
Enough?
Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. You wanna put ice?
Yes.
You wanna put ice?
Yes.
You ask the guy. Hi.
Can I have ice?
Grated ice, please. Konti lang, please.
Okay po.
Thank you. Konti lang, please. Pudding. Thank you. And all I can say is super worth it. Definitely, we will come back again kung may pagkakataon pa. Pero super worth it talaga siya. Masarap ang food. After buffet, bumalik na nga kami sa room kasi super duper busog kaming lahat. Kinabukasan nga, breakfast buffet ulit tayo. And ito nga yung mga food na na-video ko during that day. Dito pa rin kami sa may kusina buffet restaurant breakfast. Mas marami kasing option dito kaysa sa lounge. Kaya, syempre, kung saan mas maraming food, dun tayo. And in fairness naman, nabigyang hustisya naman yung mga babayaran nyo kasi masarap naman yung mga food talaga nila dito. After breakfast, nag-swimming na si Emma kasi wala naman kaming plan today kasi mamayang hapon, alis na si Daddy James. Pero kami pupunta kami sa IKEA kasi nga mas malapit yung IKEA dito sa hotel kung saan kami nakastay kaysa sa bahay. Kaya punta na lang din kami sa IKEA. Favorite kasi namin yung meatballs nila doon kaya yun lang yung sasadyain talaga namin doon. Isa nga rin to sa pinakagusto ni Emma, yung pool bar nila. Kaya, if nandito siya, lagi siyang na-order dyan. And feel na feel niya lang. Siguro, iba yung feel niya habang umiinom dyan sa may tubig.
Okay, I'm gonna pretend that we're in a fancy restaurant and you ordered Sprite, okay?
Okay.
Just Sprite, okay? So pretend, hi ma'am.
What did you do?
Here you go. And then let me just open up your straw for you. Look at me. Look at it. Okay, bye bye. Very confusing. There! Oh my god, I'm so smart. Big brain Emma. Wow.
Did you get a change?
No? Because I gave her exactly 10 pesos.
Okay. Come on here. How was that? Good?
That's good.
Let me see. Say yummy. Bumalik na rin kami sa hotel after namin mabili yung gusto namin sa IKEA. So, sa lounge na nga rin kami nag-dinner. So, ito yung sinerve nila. Parang Filipino food that day. Some other days, ibang ibang cuisine. And this is our 4th day, our last day. Kasi mamayang mga 12, mag-check-in na kami. So, breakfast ulit tayo. Doon ulit tayo sa may kusina. Pwede rin naman kami mag-late check-out. Kaya nga lang iniisip ko yung mga gagawin ko sa bahay. So, pag uwi namin, maglalaba, maglilinis na naman, kaya uwi na lang ng maaga. Something happened actually here na burn ni Emma yung kamay niya kasi yung miso soup natapon sa may hand niya. Pero it's not bad naman kasi nakapag-swimming pa siya after namin mag-breakfast.
My wrist, so this is my treat. So thank you, Hilton. Even though I'm not allowed to steal stuff, but thank you. I mean, I burned my wrist. I deserve it.
Yeah, she deserved it. She only saw the don't take treats away after putting it in her pocket.
In my pocket.
So, yeah. So may few hours kami bago umalis, bago mag-check out. Kaya dito muna kami sa baba sa may pool. And then may mga pag-games din sila dito. Kaya yun muna yung ginawa ni Emma. And thank you guys for watching. See you sa next video. Ang hina! Come on, do it! Keep doing it! Emma! Like that! See? Told you. You're too close, that's why. Remove your pants. Remove your pants. Away from it, Emma. Okay, one last one, okay? Okay, one more try.